Good afternoon and Kong Hei Fat Chay to everyone. I'm Eman Salvadora. Alongside with me is Paolo Quezana. We also have AZ Ricasio and Christy Baz as our courtside reporters. And this is Bicol Developmental Basketball League on ARTV Net Sports. We are again live at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium as the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights Team B takes on the defending champions, the Camarines Sur Polytechnic College's Blue Stallions. So yan, partner Kong Hei Fat Chay.
Kong Hei Fat Chay,
happy Chinese Year sa iyo.
Sa'yo rin.
So ayan, mag-gana lang tayo na i-emphasize lang natin ang game na to, no. Ang game na to is a rematch between these two teams, no. So ayan, ang kanilang sa rematch nila, no, ang CSPC wins the game.
Their last outing.
During their last outing, no, ang CSPC ang nanalo, no, with a score of 77-64, no. So ayan, makikita natin dito na kumbaga nagkaroon ng ang may advantage ang ano natin ngayon, no, ang ating CSPC team, no, dahil meron silang momentum carrying towards this game, no.
But let us not count out Ateneo Team B on the last outing since humabol sila late in the third and fourth quarters yun.
Ano ata parang kumbaga biglang nagkaroon ng resurgence. So, tsaka lumaban talaga sila ng maigi.
Lumaban sila.
So ayan, makikita natin. So yun, speaking of lumalaban, ito ang mga key players na sa tingin kong magiging ito ang mga players na sa tingin ko ay magiging keys into winning this game ng parehong teams, no. So for the Ateneo B, we have Gio Guzman, Ron Madrid and Felix Bernales na nag-step up nung kanilang last game, no, sa nung last outing nila against sa CSPC, no. So yan si Gio Guzman, sharpshooter nung last game nila, si Ron Madrid na nag-dominate sa boards, at the same time si Felix Bernales na I think
isang mintis lang
sa field ang natala niya, no, with a total of 8 points, I think. 8 points, no. So yan, partner sa Adnubi meron na ako. Sino naman sa CSPC?
We have Melvin Rojas, Julius Tortoles, and Dito Tanjalan para sa ating CSPC players. So Melvin Rojas, this is our point guard.
Number 14.
Number 14, which is really quick and swift in terms of fast breaks and dribbling the ball. Si Julius Tortoles naman, our big guy na he dominates the board, grabs the offensive and defensive efforts, and of course
Mr. Double-Double.
Translates them.
Ito na si Mr. Double-Double na si Lito Tangelo, yan na Mr. Double-Double natin ngayon.
Second double-double of the season ngayon.
Kumbaga mention lang namin na si Melvin Rojas at si Julius Tortoles ay Mythical 5 nung last tournament natin, no. So ayan, since na-mention na namin ang key players sa game na to, i-mention naman natin ang keys to winning ng parehong koponan na to, no. So for the CSPC, meron tayong controlling the boards, outside shooting, at the same time defense. Sa controlling the boards, automatic na yun na getting rebounds, no. Talagang kumbaga i-dominate ang boards, no. Wag masyadong pakawalan ang mga second chance points, no. Sa outside shooting naman meron yun. Outside shooting, 3-point shooting talaga siya, no. At the same time defense, yun nga, lagi namin sinasabi dito na defense wins offense talaga, no. So ayan, na-mention ko rin sa CSPC. Ano naman po yung sa Adnubi part?
For the offense of the Adnubi, we have consistent shooting, running game in points, and of course ball movement. So consistent shooting, we need to keep the microwave kumbaga going on para consistent yung shooting, walang mintis. Kung meron mang mintis,
konti lang.
Para na rin ma-contribute sila with a big factor sa scoreboard. And of course, outside shooting, they need to shoot 3-pointers para naman makahabol sila kung sakaling tambak sila o ganyan. And of course, ball movement. They need to execute passes and of course give up the open man para makahanap ng buwelo, and of course
para makakuha ng easy points, no.
Sa defense naman, we have closing out on shooters, disrupting the passing lanes, and of course plugging the driving lane, close out on shooters. We need to go man to man dito. We never know who's gonna step up.
Since maraming 3-point shooters ang ating Ateneo team, Team B, no. Sa tingin ko kailangan talaga ng close out 'yun. Wag pabayaan ng makakuha ng easy points, no, para kumbaga ma-minimize ang ma-minimize ang kumbaga ang points na binibigay ng mga 3-point shooters na to, no?
Of course, disrupting the passing lane sa ganyan pag may mga fast breaks, they need to intercept the ball, kumbaga they need to be open-minded sa defense sa kahit nasa kabilang court sila. Plugging the driving lane, they need to kumbaga
Wag hayaan na makadiretso ang mga kalaban.
Wag hayaan makalusot. So that's it for our keys to win the game para sa both teams. So I think we now go back to the ball game.
Naglalaro na sila ngayon, no? As the Ateneo Dinaga Team B now has the ball.
That is Madrid. Madrid passes to number 7. That is Delfin. Delfin, turnover. Number 9 on the fast break. Lays it up and in.
It's good. Perea hits the lane.
We have Bernales, the player who really stepped up last outing against sa parehong team din. Pass to Madrid. Madrid will look to kick it to
it's Cardel. Cardel is number 4. Number 4 si ano, di ba? Si Cardel is number 4.
That was a turnover committed by Cardel.
As I think they called the timeout.
They called the timeout.
The Ateneo team called the timeout, no? So ayan, makikita natin na we have
6-2 none on the game in favor of CSPC.
So ayan, early on pa lang, no? Early on pa lang kumbaga early on pa lang hindi na nila hinahayaan na magpakumpiyansa, ano, talagang dire-diretso na kaagad nila yung bola sa basket, no? Kumbaga, wala nang hesitation, dire-diretso. As in, nakita ko pa lang kanina na pagka-tip off pa lang ng bola, as in, easy layup na kaagad, no? So, yan, bukod sa minamadali, may precision rin, kumbaga, dun sa nila, sa shooting nila, no? Kumbaga, nandun yung quick-paced, kumbaga, ng laro. Pero, nakikita nga natin na, kahit quick-paced siya, gumagana naman siya, no?
Tama. And now we head back to the game. I believe this will be CSPC ball since turnover. Nagkaroon ng turnover bago yung timeout. And again, happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Kung patchoy, guys.
Sa lahat po ng mga Chinese people, at the same time mga half Chinese, happy Chinese New Year po sa inyo. As Melvin Rojas, naghahanap siya ng papasahan ngayon, dinedepensahan ng ating Ateneo team.
That will be a pushing foul.
Pushing foul by number 17, which is...
Number 17, that is... Number 17.
That's a pushing foul. That's a second team foul. As Periña Roland will now inbound the ball for the CSPC Blue Stallions. And he passes it to Rojas. Rojas nagtatawag ng play.
That would be an offensive foul.
That's a foul committed. Early on pa lang marami ng fouls. Are we looking for a penalty here?
Let's hope not. Para na rin sa kapakanan ng mga players natin.
Pa lang, aga-aga, 2 fouls na kagad, no?
And now we have Cardel. Cardel looking to shake off his defender. Cardel pass to Madrid. That will be a traveling violation.
Traveling violation called to Madrid
by the Spinneroni.
Spinneroni. And as Melvin Rojas binababa na naman ng bola, binabantay ang maigi ng ating Ateneo team. He slips. Melvin Rojas penetrates. No good.
Misses. Rebounded by Madrid. Loses the ball. Madrid cannot believe the call. I think referees say that it slipped on his hand. Pero sa tingin ni Madrid, natamaan to ng isang CSPC player.
Hindi siya happy dun sa tawag na yun. Akala niya, natapik talaga siya. As number 9, Perea penetrates, passes to Tangelon. Number 7 hits the 3. And it's Periña Roland.
As we have Bernales now, itinatawid ng bola. Bernales pass to Spinneroni. Bernales looking to shake off his defender. Bernales
passes to Madrid
for the long 3.
That is good. Spinneroni Madrid hits the 3
for the rare 3.
So kung magtataka kayo bakit Spinneroni ang tawag namin sa kanya, ang go-to move niya kasi sa post is spin move. Ang pangalan niya ay Ron. So, Spin Ronnie.
Bagay naman.
Bagay naman.
Para sa kanya.
As number 7, Pereña passes to Tortoles. Tortoles for the pull-up. Jay, no good.
No good. Rebounded by Madrid. Pass to Panuelos. Panuelos, hinahinay lang daw. Ipinasa kay Bernales. Bernales to Delfin. Delfin will pass to Panuelos. Back to Madrid for 3 again. That is good!
Akala siguro niya may foul pa yan na Madrid hits another 3-pointer. Back-to-back 3-pointers for Ron Madrid for the big man. As number 7, Pereña Roland passes to Rojas. Rojas penetrates.
Bernales goes down.
Passes to Tagelo to Tortoles. Tortoles, medyo nawala ang kanilang offense. However, Pereña drives, and it's good!
As the shot clock expires. So, mapansin lang natin kanina, ngayon lang si Bernales parang nawawala si focus sa pagkakalam ko kasi kahapon may lagnatong
player na to, no? So, yan nga.
Bernales for 3. Banks it home!
Yan ba ang may lagnat? Yan ba ang may lagnat? Wala atang lagnat yan, ah.
Sorry.
Mainit lang talaga ang kamay.
Mainit lang talaga.
As number 7, Pereña Roland. Nagtatawag siya ng play. Rojas again. As Tortoles sets the pick. Passes again to Pereña Roland, and it's good!
This is a 3-point shootout.
3 points. Guys, ang 3-point shootout po ay sa Sabado pa.
Sabado pa yan. So,
pero pwede na maagahan.
As Madrid is fouled on that play, and will have a chance for 2 at the free throw line.
Init ng laban na to. Puro 3 points.
Now we have 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining on the shot clock. On the game clock, with 14 points and 14 to 9 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Madrid will shoot his first. That is good. Madrid is now 100% both field goal percentages and the free throw percentages, as well as the 3 points. As Madrid will now look to complete his chances at the free throw. Madrid. That is no good.
Rebound by the Ateneo team. As Madrid gets the ball.
Is being guarded. Number 27.
Cardel.
That is Guzman. Cardel. Airball on that shot.
Tortoles. Pinasa kay Rojas. Rojas binababa ang bola. Rojas penetrates. Passes to Pereña. Pereña for the 3. No good. Rebound by Tortoles. However, he's fouled.
That is a foul by Madrid.
Bigla na lang ako na si Rojas talaga known for his penetrating game, no. Mahilig siya mag-slash yung point guard na to, no. Slasher point guard.
Well, that's our typical point guard.
Well, kahit tingnan mo, meron namang passing point guard lang talaga, no. Well, for his size, medyo parang nakakatakot na nagsislash siya, no. Pero quickness pa rin talaga ang kanyang advantage dito, no. As Tortoles misses both free throws.
That will be Ateneo ball. There will be a substitution. Number 18 will go out for number 9 para sa CSPC. And we have Cardel as the inbounder and will pass to number 27. That is Gio Guzman. Guzman to Cardel. Cardel to Delfin. Delfin for 3. That is good!
3-point shootout. 3-point shootout to.
Humahabol na ang ating Ateneo team with only a 1-point margin sa game na ito.
Rojas being guarded by the Ateneo defense. What a slash by Mr. Rojas.
What a slash by the little guy. As it is passed to Madrid. Madrid, naagawan ng bola.
Ayun na, binababa na ang bola. Number 18. Na-foul siya. Number 18 is Tanya Mora. Penalty na.
That's the 14 foul ngayon para sa CSPC.
Foul.
I mean para sa Ateneo sa quarter na ito.
So ayan sa ating CSPC team, no. Pereña Roland now has 8 points with 2 3-pointers. So ayan medyo early kumbaga mainit na start no for Pereña Roland.
Acknowledge lang po natin ang presence ni Mr. John Agna. Hello, sir.
Professor sa MSS department. As number 18 Tanya Mora hits his free throw.
Guzman will now cross the ball to the other court. Guzman with a hesitation dribble. Back to Cardel. Cardel to Delfin. Back to Guzman. Guzman will pass it to Madrid. Guzman drives. Pass to Delfin. Delfin. Good for the back-to-back
3-point shootout.
This is a
3-point shootout. Gaya na, pressure defense by the Ateneo, no? So, and Melvin Rojas binabantayan ni number 37. Pinasa kay Periña, Roland. Periña. Passes to Tortoles. Tortoles. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Sets the pick for Tanya Mora. Tanya Mora pinasa ulit kay Tortoles. Tortoles for the 3. No good.
No good. Rebounded by our point guard, Alice Cardel. 3 minutes remaining on our game clock as Madrid saves the ball. However, it is
Tanya Mora. Tanya Mora.
There's an offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Offensive foul.
Parang merong hawik. Merong hawik dun sa
I see.
As nasaktan si Cardel. There will be a substitution.
As there's a substitution being made. Pereira Carlo enters the game and Melvin Rojas is out.
Ito si Guzman. Tinatawid ang bola. Guzman will look for a teammate. Pass to number 37. Cardel for 3. No good. That is an air ball.
Sasama ata siya dun sa 3-point shootout.
Siguro.
Kasama ata siya sa 3-point shootout.
Makita na lang natin sa Sunday pala yun.
Abangan ninyo. So ayan, number 7 penetrates.
Offensive foul!
Offensive foul again.
As there's a wild reaction
Periña
by
Roland
our...
commits another foul or an offensive foul, no?
Wild reaction galing dyan kay Madrid.
Kumbaga parang may meron kasing hindi lang naman kasi physicality ang tinitingnan dito Kumbaga, yung mo rin, yung mindset mo din. Kung mabilis kang mapikon sa mga ganyang mga antics na ganyan, mawawala talaga ang focus mo. Mawawala ang composure ninyo. Kaya easy lang. First quarter pa lang naman
Delfin to Guzman. Guzman for the long 3. No good.
Rebound by Periña Roland. Periña pinasa kay number 9, Pereira. To Tangelon. Tangelon hits the easy lay-in.
2 points for the CSPC as Guzman will look for a teammate, will pass it to Cardel. Cardel kicks it back to Guzman. Back to Cardel. To Delfin.
Grabe ang CSPC defense, no? Yan, pero yan nakawala.
Delfin for 3 again!
And Delfin hits another 3-pointer. Grabe.
Delfin now has 9 points all from the 3-point area.
Grabe. As Tanya Mora binabantayang maigi ng ating Ateneo team. Tanya Mora to Tangelon. Tangelon to number 7, Periña. Periña Roland hits the lay-in.
Grabe, all of the points na nanggagaling kay Delfin are from the 3-point area.
Mainit talaga siya.
Ito si Guzman. Guzman for 3. No good.
Rebound.
That will be Ateneo ball.
Ayan, miscommunication by the CSPC team, no? Hindi alam kung sino magre-rebound ng bola.
As number 37 goes out, that is Delfino. He's replaced by number 32, that is Sanyol.
So ayan, nakikita natin yun ang ating Ateneo team ang mag-i-inbound ng bola.
Well, despite their 3-pointers, they're still down ngayon. Pero babago naman.
Consistent 3-pointers lang as Delfin
misses his first.
So ayan, nakikita natin Pereira, binababa ang bola, pinasa kay Tanya Mora. And Tanya Mora being swarmed by the Ateneo defense.
Good defense by our Ateneo team.
As number 19.
That is blocked by the big guy.
And he's blocked.
Ito si Delfin. Will kick it to Guzman pero nabitawan ng bola.
Nabitawan ang kanyang soup.
Parang tambay ng laro ngayon. Parang wala yung cavalry natin.
Oo nga, parang wala ang ating... Siguro since holiday naman ngayon. Pahinga pa. Estudyante pa rin naman sila kahit pa paano. As number 7, Periña, binabantay ni Cardel. And Pereira. Nakikita natin na medyo dinidistract ng ating team B, no? Kahit 9 seconds pa yung nasa shot clock. Binibilangan na agad.
Ito si Guzman. Will look for a play. Guzman to Cardel. To to Delfin. Delfin will drive to the lane.
Good
Wild
move,
layup,
however,
no
rebound
good.
by Tajelon. Tajelon passes to Tanyamora. Tanyamora! He is fouled by Gio Guzman.
Coach Nuki saying, ang lakas nung topic na yun pero hindi napansin ang referee. Substitution. Number 14, that is Tanoy. Will go into the game.
Coach Nuki, really upset.
Really upset.
Easy lang, coach. Easy lang, coach. Baka easy lang po tayo. Baka ma-technical po tayo. Mahirap na po. As Tanyamora hits both free throws.
Ito si Tanoy. Tanoy, binanggaan.
Layo!
Good.
Ang layo naman nun. As that concludes our first quarter of play. The score is 26-19 in favor of the CSBC Blue Stallion. So ayan, makikita natin na 3-point shootout tong laban natin ngayon, no. Barilan from the
But
arc.
however, yung mga 3-pointers ng Ateneo for this quarter is not enough para makuha nila yung lead. Pero we still have 3 quarters para magpasikat sila ng mga 3-pointers ulit.
So papasikat talaga sila, no. Pasikat talaga. Yeah, but at the same time, kahit nagpapasikat, really helping their team, no, to win the offensive game. No? At the same time, the defensive game. No? So, well, let's talk about the top scorer for the Ateneo team, no, si Delfin.
Delfin now has 9 points, all from the 3-point area.
Grabe, ang init ng ang init ng kamay ng player na to, no. Nandiyan na rin naman sa ating CSPC team, no, si Periña Roland, no, with a couple of 3-pointers, at the same time couple of 2s, no, as again that concludes the our first quarter, no.
Coach
as the CSPC team.
Coach Nuki giving instructions to his team. And konting trivia lang, si Coach Nuki is a former student of the Ateneo de Naga and a former varsity player. But as he graduated, he went on to be a graphics designer para sa website ng Philippine Development, Philippine Basketball Association.
Bigat, PBA.
Kaya,
ang alam ko dati, pumasok pa ako sa isa siyang DIA student. Digital Illustration and Animation student, no. Makikita natin na yun. Nung dati tinuruan tayo ata niya ng basic Photoshop sa at the same time sa Premiere Pro. As our players now head to the court, and we will now start our second quarter.
We have Guzman as the point. That is number 32, Sanyol. To Delfin for 3 again. No good. As it is rebounded by number 9. Ibinato kay number 18.
Tanyamora passes to Tanjelon. No good.
Pasabit pa. Tumatakbo itong si Guzman. Guzman! Fouled on that play. That is a foul committed by number 19. As Gio Guzman will go to the free throw line para sa dalawang chance para sa free throw. Guzman will shoot. That is good. The first. And now Guzman will look to complete his chances at the free throw line. Guzman will prepare. Guzman fires. That is good again.
Guzman hits both free throws.
It's both.
As number 19, Dagarat passes to Periña Roland. Periña ipahanap ng papasahan. That's a foul. The foul committed by number 27.
We have 14 seconds left on the shot clock.
As Periña will inbound the ball. Periña inbounds the ball to number 19, Dagarat. Dagarat penetrates, passes to Tanjelon. Power move, no. Periña, no good. Rebound by Tanjelon. Block. Tanjelon passes to Periña again. Pereya pass, outside pass to Dagarat. Periña penetrates. Lays it in, no good. Tips. It is tipped by Tanjelon.
As Gio Guzman, our point, tiyatawid ang bola. Bumigay kay number 14, There is Tanoy. Back to Guzman. Guzman humanap ng kampe. Guzman ibinado kay Delfin. To Sanyol. Sanyol for 3. No good.
Yan na, binababa na po ng ating CSPC team. Tanjalon. Good lane.
Sumabay pa itong si Guzman.
Sumabay ka pa. Sabi niya, kahit sumabay ka pa.
So number 27, that is Guzman will pass to Delfin. Delfin kicks it back to Guzman. Guzman humanap ng kampe. Guzman to Sanyol. Pinari Guzman. Guzman with only 7 seconds to make the shot clock. 4-3, that is no good.
Rebound by Periña. Periña. Ayan, kita natin na Perea. Perea binababa ang bola. Perea penetrates, however, he is fouled. Tanjalon now has 12 points in this game, no? Second quarter pa lang. Si Mr. Tanjalon ang ating Mr. Double-Double, no? Sa parang pag may outing sila, kapag meron silang laban, parang may malaki ang chance niya nakakakuha siya ng ano.
Double-double.
Bukod kasi sa efficient scorer siya sa baba, at the same time sa labas. Rebounder talaga siya. As in, ano siya, kumbaga, ano ba, paano ba, magaling talaga siya mag-rebound, no? As a CSPC team, shoots the ball pero na ano outside.
As Bernales will go in. Bernales and Panuelos goes in for our Ateneo. Ito si Bernales will play point.
Bernales binababa ang bola.
Bernales to Madrid. Kicks it back to Bernales. Bernales with a jab step. Bernales no good.
Yan, medyo nawawala na ang ano, no? Medyo nawawala na ang hot hands ni ano?
Ni Nico Delfin. Ito ni So, it will be number 1 as the inbounder. Number 19 to number 1. Number 1. That's good on the jumper.
Number 1 is Sanchez.
Si Bernales, itatawid ang bola. Binigay kay Cardel. To Madrid. Kicks it back to Cardel. Dishes it to Bernales. To Panuelos.
Turnover. Overthrows it. And
there will be a timeout on the floor.
Timeout by our Ateneo team, no?
We have 7 minutes and 3 seconds left on the game clock with 32 and 21 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
So yan, medyo nawala na ang ano, medyo nawala ang kumbaga hot hands ni Nico Delfin ngayon, no? Ni Nico Delfin. Pero sa tingin ko pa ba namang magbago yan? Ang problema lang dun sa ano, problema lang sa ganyan is that kailangan kumbaga hanap ka ng magandang yung kung saan ka ano, kung saan ka komportable. At the same time, kung sa tingin mong hot hands ka na, huwag mo nang babaguhin yung stroke ng kamay mo. Kasi doon ka na nasasanay eh.
At wag pipilitin kung ano. Kung masyadong dependent.
Wag pipilitin kasi yun nga, hindi naman crunch game to. Kumbaga may time ka nang para mag-isip. As our CSPC team, no, they are now nag-huddle sila, no.
And now we'll go back to the ball game. That will be CSPC ball, I believe. As Coach Nuki Sabio giving words to Panuelos. Yan.
Another new face. Face dito sa ating court, no. Hindi siya gaano nakapaglaro, no.
Nabigyan ng playing time.
Pero yun nga, at least dito nagkakaroon na sila ng playing time, no. As Perea pinasa kay number 19, which is the Garat. Dito Tanjalon passes to number 1. Medyo nagano sila, tatawag sa ata sila ng ano nun, may violation.
Ito si Madrid. Binigay kay Bernales. Back to Madrid. Madrid will drive. Madrid intercepted by number 1.
Number 1 is Sanchez. Sanchez penetrates, lays it in, and it's good. Sanchez with a beautiful layup.
And we have Bernales again. Tinatawid ang bola. Naghahanap ng teammates at binibigyan instruction sa mga ito. Back to Bernales. Kicks it to Cardel. No look pass. That is Delfin. No good from the wild.
By Tanjalon. Number 9, Perea. Perea pinasa kay number 1, Sanchez for the pull-up J. No good.
There will be a foul.
Again, it's CSPC ball.
CSPC ball. Nagkaroon ng foul sa paglukso ni Bernales at medyo I think natamaan yung isang CSPC player.
Timeout called by the CSPC team, no? So, and we 6 minutes into the game. The score is 34-21 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. So, magbabati lang ako, no? Binabati ko lang po ang aking ate na si Ate Connie na nasa Australia ngayon na nanonood sa ating live channel sa ARTV.
Nakabot na tayong Australia.
Nakabot na tayong Australia. Nagpapabati siya eh. Nakita niya kasi yung trailer na ginawa natin nung ano.
Sino ba yung mga nandun?
Siyempre yung mga gwapong commentators na kumbaga mapapanood nyo din sa Wednesday for the bench warmers, no?
Yung pinakagwapo dun, yung cutie pie ng Gainza.
Pinakagwapo dun yung cutie pie ng Gainza. Walang makakatalo dun. The best, kumbaga.
At binabati ko rin nga po pala si aking parents na kauwi lang kanina.
And yan. So yan, we will now head back to the game.
15 seconds to shoot para sa ating CSPC players.
With 6 minutes.
6 minutes left on the game clock.
So ayan, our medyo nagkakainitan na kaagad, oh. Grabe, pressure defense. Good pass. Tangelon.
And good defense.
Rebounds it. Tangelon kicks it to number 18, Tanyamora. No good. Number 1, Sanchez. And it's out of bounds.
Masyadong nasa ilalim yung tira ngayon.
Masyadong mahirap umanggulo dun. Mahirap umanggulo dun.
12 seconds para sa CSPC. Kicks it to number 9. Number 9,
Perea. Passes to Sanchez. Sanchez loses it.
That is stolen away by number 6, Madrid. Pero napitawan din ng bola.
Tanyamora penetrates and with a layup and it's good.
That was a beautiful layup galing kay Tanyamora. As number 6, Madrid will look to cross the ball to the other court. Bibigay sa ating point guard na si Felix Bernales. To number 4, Cardel. Kicks it to
Madrid.
That is no good on 3-pointer. Rebounded by Madrid. Napitawan ng bola.
Naman Perea, mag-isa lang. Fouled by Madrid.
Layo ng 3-pointer na yun galing kay Madrid kanina. Sabi natin kanina, huwag pipilitin yung mga 3-pointers na sa tingin natin ay hindi naman sigurado. As we have a substitution. And number 9 will shoot 2 from the free throw line. Number 9. That's good on the first. Number 9 will look to complete his chances. Number 9 for his second. Number 9, that is no good. It will be rebounded by Nico Delfin. Ito na si Felix. Felix will shoot the pull-up J and it's no good.
Rebound by Rojas. Ayan, nakikita natin ngayon na pinasa niya kay Sanchez. Sanchez with a call for traveling violation.
Substitution on the floor. Number 21 will go out for number 9.
Cardel will look to inbound the ball.
Binigay kay Bernales. Manap ng kampe. Binigay kay Cardel. Kicks it to Panuelos. To number 0.
Number 21 steals it. Rojas. Pinasa kay Tangelon. Layup.
Rebounded by Felix Bernales. Will pass it to Nico Delfin. Nico Delfin with the hesitation dribbles. Bernales for the floater. No good.
Rebound by number 21, which is Berse. Rojas. Dribble moves. Berse. What? Questionable pass.
It was a questionable pass.
Questionable pass by Berse. Medyo miscommunication yun, no? Wala sa positioning yung mga players natin.
Ito si number 19 akala niya may kampi siya sa likod. as Nico Delfin hits his jumper. That's 2 points.
Ayan, so makita natin si Rojas kinukuyog ng number 17. Rojas as number 19, Dagarat sets the pick. Number 1, Sanchez for a 3, and it's good!
For Sanchez.
Sanchez hits the 3-pointer.
As the Ateneo team looks to keep up to this game, there will be a foul. Nabanggaan si Cardel sa
substitution on the floor. Tortoles and Periña goes to the court right now. Number 7, Delfin. Pinasa kay Bernales. Bernales for the 3. And it's good! Bang! Grabe. Oh, foul.
6 points now for Felix Bernales.
Grabe, ang init ni Felix ngayon, no? Taral na mainit, may lagnat pa yan.
Partida na yun.
Partida may lagnat. As Rojas dribble moves. Passes to Berse. Berse pinasa ulit kay Rojas. Tortoles sets the pick. Passes to Periña. Periña passes to number 1, Sanchez. Sanchez, no good. Foul committed by foul committed by Tortoles. Number 1, 11. Sorry.
First personal foul for number 11, as it will be inbounded by Cardel. We'll pass it to Gio Guzman. Guzman will look for a teammate. Kicks it to Cardel. Cardel with hesitation dribbles. Guzman for 3. That is no good.
Rebound by Tortoles. Pinasa kay Periña. Periña penetrates. No good. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez. Put back lay-in by Sanchez.
As Gio Guzman will look for a teammate to Delfin. To Cardel. Cardel with the fancy crossovers.
Napapansin ko lang na medyo mahilig ang ating ang Ateneo team sa sa side na 'yon, no. Sa right side ng court na 'yon.
Especially
si Delfin. Mahilig comfort zone nila 'yon, no. Yun, kaya nga na sinabi natin kanina, hanapin mo ang comfort zone mo para mag-init ka. And sa tingin ko, nahanap na natin ang kanilang comfort zone, no. Dun sa part na 'yon, no. Sa right side na 'yon, no.
That is the part where it's most comfortable of, and sa tingin ko ay
doon siya mas effective.
Mas effective, and sa tingin ko pag titira siya doon ay swak na swak.
As Berse misses his first free throw.
Substitution pala si number 37, that is Delfino, will go in para sa Ateneo.
Berse again, free throw, and it's good.
Gio Guzman, tinatawid ang bola. Gio Guzman will look for a screen, pero hindi na nabigyan. Guzman looking for a teammate, kicks it back to Delfino. Delfino for the floater, no good.
Rebound by the CSPC team. Rojas binababa ang bola. Rojas penetrates. What a nice layup. Grabe, talagang ang lalim nung niya.
Lalim na
pinanggalingan nun, grabe. As Cardel
with a contested 3, that is no good. Nakuha ni Delfino. Number 7, that is Delfino. Delfin. Cardel with only 9 seconds on the shot clock. Guzman for 3, that is good.
Ayan na. 3-point shootout na naman ba to?
Bumabalik na yung mga point spirits ang Ateneo team.
As Periña pinasa kay Rojas pinipressure ng Ateneo defense. Periña for the 3, no good. Rebound by Rojas. As we now have 10 seconds in shot clock. Periña for 3, and it's good. Yes, sir.
Kung makikita mo yung follow through ni number 7, napakaganda talaga.
Napakagaling na follow through ni Periña.
Ito si Delfino, kicks it back to Guzman. Guzman nag-hesitate. Guzman for the floater, that is no good. Nakuha ni Delfino, good effort. Delfin for 3, that is no good again.
Rebound by Tortoles. Pinasa kay Periña. Periña mag-isa.
Foul! And it counts!
That is a
Foul counted.
foul counted.
Good hustle by Periña, no?
Good hustle by Perina.
Alam niyang may magpa-foul sa kanya sa likod. Kaya diniretso niya pa rin. And ang result is that yun, given siya ng 3-point play, no?
Pero sa tingin ko mali yung pagbigay niya ng foul na yun.
Bakit, partner?
Nasa area na siya eh. Mukhang delikado yan. Pwede siyang matawagan doon ng isang flagrant one.
Ano lang, yun nga, delikado pa din kasi nasa taas na eh.
Nasa taas na.
Nasa area na.
At parang hinugod niya pa doon.
Safety pa rin ng players ang titingnan natin to. As Periña misses his free throw. Is it a technical ba siya? Kasi
I believe that was a flagrant
foul siya, no?
That was a flagrant.
Kasi one free throw, tapos ball possession. It's number 12, Intia. Passes to Periña to Tortoles, Sanchez. No good, rebound.
Rebound by Sanyol. Will give it to Guzman naghanap ng kakampi. Pero hinahinalin daw muna. Guzman kicks it to Cardel for the long three. Air ball.
Layo. Ang layo nun. Siguro sinusubukan niya i-channel ang kanyang inner Stephen Curry, no?
Stephen Curry. Pero wag muna sa they're down by ilang points? By 9 points.
7 seconds into the game, the score is 29 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
As the CSPC will look to expire this game clock and head to the halftime.
So makikita natin ngayon na medyo empty ang ating Ateneo Gymnasium, no? Kasi bukod kasi sa maulan, no? Ano rin kasi holiday ngayon, no? So siguro mas pinili nilang magstay with their loved ones. Pero yun nga sinasabi ko, 'di ba? Staying with your loved ones, okay yun. Pero mas maganda pa rin kung nagre-relax ka with your loved ones habang nanonood ka ng basketball, no. Well, pwede naman sa kung hindi ka maka-attend dito sa makapunta sa gymnasium. Well, nandiyan naman ang ERTV channel natin sa YouTube, no, na nagbibigay ng live coverage ng ating Bicol Developmental Basketball League.
And speaking of the ERTV channel, the Benchwarmers is about to come to a computer near you.
Wednesday ata, no, ang ating first show. Abangan niyo yan.
Eto na ang CSPC. Number 7.
Number 18, Tanya Mora, no good. Rebound by the Ateneo team. And that concludes our first half.
First half of the play.
The score is 48-29 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. So, medyo upset na naman si Coach, no?
Coach sa referee.
Sa ating referee ngayon, no? Well, tao rin naman sila, 'di ba? Nagkakamali rin naman sila, no? So, ayan.
Now I think we will be having a short break. We will be right back, so stay tuned.
I'm special because God loves me. I love my family, I love my teachers, and my classmates. I want to study hard because I want to learn music. I want to help others.
Give them the opportunity to benefit from Jesuit education so they will become young men and women for others.
So again, we are now back at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. Ito po ang ating game ng CSPC Blue Stallions versus the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights Team A. So I think we'll now head to our courtside report, no? So Azely, take it away.
Viewers, this is Azely Ricasio, and beside me I have Mr. Daniel Alfonso from the Ateneo Dinaga University Team B. Nyo ngayon para manalo kayo sa laban nyo kontra CSPC Blue
Here with me
Stallions.
is Mr. Jobel Hernandez.
Ang motivation namin is malagpasan yung sarili namin every game na meron kami. Yun lang. Gusto lang namin mapakita na we can improve as a team.
So, improvement po daw as a team. Ateneo, kung kay Fachoy to all. Back to you, Eman and Paolo.
So ayan, thank you Azely for that courtside report, no?
And now para sa ating CSPC, sa side ng CSPC, we now go on to Christy Bass. So Christy, take it away.
Here with me is Mr. Jobel Hernandez. Based from the game kanina, mukhang napapasabak yun. Ayun na, go. Thank you, Eman and Paolo. I am here at the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Here with me is Mr. Jobel Hernandez. So, Kuya Jobel, based from the game kanina, mukhang napapasabak yung defense nyo against Ateneo. Anong adjustments yung ginawa nyo para sa larong ito?
Yung ginawa po namin adjustment para sa game na to is yung defense namin, pina-intake pa po namin, tsaka tiwala lang sa bawat membro ng team.
Thank you, Kuya Jobel. So, tiwala lang daw. So, back to you guys.
So ayan, thank you Christy,
Christy,
for that courtside report, no. So ayan, konting analysis lang ng ating game, no. So ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions now has total 48 points, no. Tapos ang ating Ateneo team naman ay merong 29 points, no. So sa tingin mo, ano ba partner ang naging advantage ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions para makakuha sila ng lead?
Their defense. Napansin ko parang hindi nila hinahayaan yung Ateneo team na makapasok basta-basta sa driving lane. Kaya parang naipilitan sila mag 3-pointers.
So ayan ang ating field goals ngayon. Ang field goals percentage natin is 45.65% para sa ating CSPC team, 26.47% naman sa ating Ateneo. Sa Ateneo team natin, Ateneo team at 7 rebounds for the Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. 3 rebounds for Ateneo Dinaga and 3 steals for the Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. So ayan,
0 blocks para sa
blocks,
both teams.
0 blocks for both teams, no. And good defensive effort by the CSPC, no. Tapos sinasabi ko nga yung keys to winning the game nila, controlling the board. Nandun siya Ayun, 7 rebounds, no. Out-rebound nila ang kanilang kalaban, no, with a total of 4 rebounds, no. So kumbaga really working that kumbaga yung sinasabi natin na keys to winning the game nga nila, na which is yung controlling the boards, na pero yung ang isa pa sa tingin kong nagpapasaya sa ating laro ngayon at parang kumbaga nagiging isang weapon na na-utilize ng ating mga players ngayon ay ang kanilang 3-point shooting na talagang grabe.
Parang bibigyan na sila ng pahapihaw sa
3-point
shootout this coming Sunday. Kaabang-abang talaga.
Abang-abang talaga, no. Meron tayo ngayon sa ating Ateneo team na si Nico Delfin na nung una pa lang ay parang Nico Delfin
with 12 points,
no.
We have Ron Madrid with 15 points and Felix Bernales with 6.
Sa ating CSPC team naman nandiyan si Tangelon with 12 points, si Perinya with 15 and Sanchez with 7 points. So ang naglalaban talaga diyan sa 3-pointers ay si Delfin pati si Perinya, no. Talaga namang kumbaga asset sa parehong team, no. Makita natin na talagang kumbaga minamaximize talaga nila yung range nila, no. Hot hands ka, di ibigay sa kanila ang bola at yun na nga, nagiging effective naman yung yung method na yun, no.
So we have both teams nag-warm up na ngayon para sa second half of play.
Si Madrid rin pala contributes nung una sa kanilang 3-pointers, no.
Okay, the first points of Ateneo ay nanggaling kay Madrid.
Yun yung sa tingin ko maganda kasi
He's
big guy.
stretch forward.
Stretch forward kumbaga. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya basta nasa ilalim. Kaya niya ring kaya niya ring mag jumper, kaya niya rin mag long range na tira. So, ayun, medyo kumbaga handyman kung tinatawag na. Handyman kung tinatawag dahil medyo yun nga kahit saan siya napupunta, okay naman ang kanyang laro.
And the next game will be a rematch against the Biscas Spartans and the Ateneo Team A.
Rematch na naman ulit. No? Parang ito, rematch rin naman tong tong laban natin na yan.
At i-acknowledge lang natin ang presence ng ating mga Ateneo Team A players na nandito na ngayon sa court.
May may laro sila after this. Yun nga, against the Biscas Spartans.
To give support para sa team din nila.
So, ikaw, so ayan, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ng ang ating panahon, no? So medyo gloomy weather ang gloomy weather ang ating panahon ngayon, no? Pero sa tingin ko dahil sa init ng 3-pointers ng ating ng dalawang koponan ay nagbaliwala ang lamig niyan, no? And speaking of lamig, partner, ikaw meron ka bang ka-date ngayong Valentine's?
Pag-usapan na natin yung weather.
Sige, yung weather natin yung pag-usapan natin. Or yun yung ball game na lang pag-usapan natin.
Pero let's hope for a date.
Mahirap yan, partner. Pag-usapan na lang talaga natin ng game, no? As the two teams nag-warm up na sila ngayon, no? For our
second half of play.
So, we would like to acknowledge the following: the Ateneo de Naga University,
the Ateneo Athletics Office,
the Ateneo Red Cross,
the people behind the BDBL Reinforced Cup, organizer Mr. Juice Benson Balanag,
our Commissioner Julio Ogoy,
Assistant Commissioner Jimmy Cadores,
Department of Media Studies Mr. Terdy Baudin,
Mr. Noel Amador,
Mr. Manuel Sambo,
Mr. Carlos Jerome Llorin,
Dr. Digna Paner Alva, and of course the ARTV crew. So ayan, sa tingin ko, we will now go to...
We will head to the game. No?
Medyo konting time pa.
The assistant coach of the Ateneo giving words sa ating officials.
Maging vigilant, kumbaga. Maging vigilant sa mga tawag nila.
Parang kune-question yung mga tawag kanina.
Kasi nga, naman yan, human error, yung kumbaga, sa pagiging tao rin naman, hindi naman pwedeng lahat yan matawag nila, di ba? Hindi naman lahat in favor mo lagi. Meron namang times na in favor sa'yo, meron namang in favor minsan sa kalaban ang tawag. Kaya hindi naman mababag. At the same time, human error, kumbaga. Makikita natin na meron talagang mga ilang tawag na magsislip. Pero ma-upset ka, kasi nga minsan yung tawag na yan, sa'yo, pabor pala sa'yo, or sa naman pala, sa iba pabor. So ayan, well, tsaka yung kumbaga, wag masyado mainit ang ulo, kumbaga. Kasi nga kanina medyo frustrated na nga, no.
Magsisigaw ng
wag mo mumura, di ba? Kasi matitechnical kayo, and na-express mo nga ang galit mo, maapektuhan naman yung team mo, no. As both of the teams now, the CSPC team and the Ateneo team is now regrouping, no. Makikita natin ngayon na nagre-regroup na sila for our second half, no.
So, paano ba?
Paano ba ang natin? Ano bang sunod na game next week?
Next week? I think there will be a match against the NCF.
Yan yung kaabang-abang na NCF Tigers, no, na undefeated still dito sa ating league na to, no. Grabe makita natin yung last game ng NCF na talagang denominate nila. Grabe, parang naglalaro sila na seryoso. Kumbaga nilalaro nila pero enjoy pa rin naman. Pero yun nga sinasabi ko, manalo matalo, the winning is there, the losing is there, pero ang development ng players ay nandiyan. Well, ayan, medyo upset pa rin ngayon ang ating coach na ang Ateneo coach na si Coach Nuki. Na medyo in-explain niya.
Pati sa technicals, pumunta na siya.
Kasi nga, yun nga, medyo talaga, questionable yung ibang tawag. As Tortoles inbounds it to Rojas, number 9, which is Perea. Number 14, Rojas shakes off his defenders, passes to Perina. Good pass! Good pass to Tanjalon. What a pass. Grabe, drop pass, no?
That was a drop bullet pass.
Drop bullet pass. Ang bilis, eh.
So, eto si Madrid, ibibigay kay number 0.
Ngayon na si Agent 0.
Agent 0, si Tracy. Nabitawan na bola. Ateneo ball. Agent 0 is Banyadera. Bañadera.
So, ayan, as the Ateneo de Naga,
We look to inbound the ball.
We look to inbound the ball.
Bernales to Madrid. Madrid for the contested 3. Air ball.
And a rebound by Tortoles. Rojas, binababa ang bola, being guarded by number 7. Rojas penetrates to the basket.
What a beautiful layup, pero no good.
Pero yan, as Tortoles cleans his, yung natin, missed field goal by Rojas.
Ito naman si Madrid. No good on the lay-in.
And, good save by Pereira. Tangelon fouled. Tangelon is fouled by number 7. Numbers. Yeah. Number 6. Number 6 now has 4 fouls in this game. So ingat-ingat siya. May 4 fouls na siya. Dalawa na lang. February pa lang po. Bawal pa po graduate. Sa March pa po ang graduation. And
good defense by the Ateneo team. Bernales tumatakbo. Bernales ibibigay kay Delfin. Delfin will drive pero nabitawan ng bola.
Medyo questionable yun Akala ko pinasa.
Akala ko rin pinasa.
Ano ba? Natapon ba ang natapon yung soup niya, no? So ayan, number 9 Pereira. Pereira penetrates. Passes to Tangelon. Tangelon. Good move. No good. As
Delfin will drive the ball pero naagawan.
Naagawan siya. Tangelon. Tortoles mag-isa. Tortoles. Passes to Pereira. Pereira for 3 and it's good.
Pereira with that 3-pointer. Ito si Bernales ibibigay kay Delfin. Delfin. To Panuelos. Panuelos kicks it to no one.
Good. Good hustle by Bernales, no?
Good defense by the CSPC team. Kicks it back to Bernales with only 6 seconds to shot. That is no good.
Rebound by Pereira. Pereira binababa ang bola. Pereira. Oh, good alley-oop!
That was
good alley-oop, Tangelon.
Pero sana makita rin tayo dito.
So gusto ko rin po nananawagan po kami sa lahat ng teams na sana ay magkaroon ng alley-oop dito. Dunk talaga. No? So, ayan,
ito si Cartel. Looking to shake off his defender with a wild shot. No
good.
By
Tangelon. Tangelon, pinasa kay number 9, Pereira. Pereira passes to Tortoles. Tortoles. No good. Tortoles grabs another rebound. And wait, easy lang daw sabi ni sabi ni Rojas. Rojas shakes off his defenders, passes to Pereira. Pereira. Ayun, na-deflect ang pasa. Pereira. Wow! Grabe!
Nice shot to exploit the shot clock. There will be a timeout on that, followed by that beautiful floater.
Ayos. Naabot pa yung shot clock natin, no?
Oo.
Medyo na yun, parang wala na yun sa play nila. So, tinira niya na lang basta yun. Hindi ko naasahan yun. So, as the Ateneo de Naga Team B, nag-huddle sila ngayon. No? Binibigyan ng, guiding words by Coach Nuki. Ganon din ang ating CSPC team na
ang head coach nila si Mr. Jesus
Sparco Jr. ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Defense daw, no, sabi ng ating Ateneo team.
Defense ang kailangan nila ngayon because they're down by 3. 30, I mean.
Nagulat ako dun. Down by 30.
Kulang lang ng 0. Delayed.
So ayan, nagpapasalamat po pala kami sa lahat ng mga nakasubscribe ngayon sa ating ARTV channel. Mahigit 100 na po kayong nakasubscribe sa aming channel. Thank you po.
Yesterday, meron na tayong 126 subscribers.
Nag-update ako kanina, 131 na ata yun.
That is a good news.
Good news yun para po sa amin. Salamat po. Sa lahat din po pala nag-share ng aming trailer ng BDBL on ARTV. Salamat po. Nagpapabati rin po pala sa amin ang aming kapwa-commentator na si Francis Pastor. Binabati niya po si Angelica Aricheta ng Morong Rizal. Sorry na daw, sabi ni Francis.
Pero sa tingin ko hindi siya nagsasorry dito.
Sa tingin ko hindi naman talaga siya nagsasorry.
Hindi naman yan sincere.
Bibiro lang yan.
Joke lang. Spanuelos will miss that 3-pointer.
Rojas with a good crossover. Rojas penetrates, passes to Tangelon. Tangelon And one! Grabe talaga to si Tangelon. Bakit ganun lahat ata ng mga 24 magagaling, no? Galing ni Tangelon.
Pero sa tingin ko, pinamagaling ng 24 yung taong may pangalan na Kobe Bryant.
Oo, yun talaga. Legend yun.
Legend yun.
As
idol ko yun.
Tangelon.
Pero parang tiyatanggihan ako dito ni Francis kay Kobe.
Tangelon completes his 3-point play.
As Bernales will kick it to Guzman. Guzman will drive. Guzman passes to Delfin. Delfin back to Guzman. Kicks it back to Delfin. Back to Delfin. Good ball movement. That is no good.
Yan, yung sinasabi mo nga, patay ang butiki.
Pero nakuha na natin na yung team. Guzman for 3. No good.
Rebound again.
Agent Zero for good for the layup.
Agent Zero gets the rebound and the points. 2 points for Agent Zero.
Agent Zero, our janitor for today. Ito na si number 9.
Ay, nakita natin ngayon Perinya. Number 9, Perea. Perea penetrates. And again, foul committed by number 21, Bernales.
Number 9 will go to the free throw line para sa chance. Para sa dalawang chances sa free throw. At para po sa hindi nakaintindi ng janitor, sa terminologies po, ang terminology po na yan is the one who cleans the glass and gets the second chance point.
Yan lang po, baka magkaano rin kasi, kumbaga.
Miscommunication.
So, ayan.
So, ito si number 7. Ibibigay kay Bernales para itawid ang bola sa kabilang panig ng court. Bernales.
Tatawag ng play. Tatawag ng play ngayon si Bernales.
Bernales to Cardel. Cardel kicks it to Guzman. Back to Cardel. Cardel with a spin move. That is no good. However, it was rebounded by Guzman.
Tortoles now has the ball. Passes again to Rojas. Rojas. Pinasa kay Perinya. Pinasa kay Tortoles. Tangelon. And it's good. Grabe. Kinakatawan na talaga ni Tangelon, no?
Tangelon. So, eto na si Bernales will kick it to number 27, that's Guzman. Bernales. Mukhang magkakaroon ng play. Cardel kicks it to Guzman for 3. That is no good.
Yan, as number 9, Perea rebounds the ball.
Nagawa ni Guzman. There will be a foul sa takbong yun.
Foul committed by number 14, Rojas. So ayan ang ating Ateneo team po, mag-i-inbound ng ball. Melvin Rojas commits his first personal foul.
As number 14, that is Tanoy, parang nag-aabang ng substitution.
Ayan na, Delfin
for 3! That is good!
Delfin!
Bumalik na ang 3 points.
Bumabalik pa lang. Kailangan ng consistency pa din sa kanyang shooting, no? As Tangelon.
And he hit the 3-pointer from the left wing of the 3-point line. Perinya
for the 3. No good. Rebound by Tortoles. Oops. Natapon ang bola.
9 bola. At eto na si number 14, that is Tanoy, will go in for the game.
Partner. Tangelon now has 20 points and 10 rebounds.
That is another double-double. His third double-double para sa season na ito.
Grabe. Mr. Double-double talaga to si Tangelon, no? Ang lupet.
As number 27 will kick it to Delfin. Delfin for the open jumper. No good. Rebounded by Tanoy. There is a foul.
Grabe. Ano na kaagad? Makikita natin na again, third quarter pa lang, may double-double na si Mr. Tangelon.
Just like the previous.
Gaya lang ng mga dati.
Itong quarter na ito yung mark niya.
Ayos talaga, ayos ang laro ng CSPC team ngayon, no?
Delfin to Guzman. Bernales, napitawan ng bola pero nakuha niya pa ito.
Oops. Good play. Good play by
Bernales. Diskarte yun.
Ayan, nakikita natin na i-inbound ni Mr. Delfin ang bola.
Delfin to Guzman. Intercepted.
As number 14, Rojas passes to Tangelon. Tangelon to Rojas again. What a layup! And it's good. Konting appear doon para sa ating dalawang players, no?
And we have Bernales. Bibigay ang bola kay number 4 dahil Cardel holding the ball to Delfin for the jumper, no good.
As rebound by Perea, binababa ang bola. Perea, well defended, number 19, which is the Garat. And then Melvin Rojas. Oh, what a crossover.
What a crossover.
Perea passes
Nice
to
spin move.
Dagarat for 2. No good.
Rebounded by Tanoy.
Grabe, foul. Medyo nadala yung crossover. Nadala ng crossover ang ating ang isang player ng Ateneo.
Parang familiar si Tanoy.
Well, siya, taga Ateneo, di ba? Kapwa Atenista.
And now, Bernales will hit the long 3. No good. Rebounded by Tanoy again.
Tanoy, power move.
No good.
As Tangelon. And easy lang daw, sabi ni Mr. Rojas. Number 9, fakes it. Oops.
Miscommunication by the CSPC players. Kaya ang bola ay mapupunta sa Ateneo players ngayon. As Tanoy will inbound to Bernales.
Tangelon nagsabihin si Mr. sa number 1 si Sanchez, no, para kay Tangelon.
Number 21 Bernales, binalik lang ang bola. Ito si Cardel for 3. Air ball.
Rebound by Rojas, binababa ang bola. Rojas penetrates.
Good defense.
And it's good.
However, that was a good defense by Guzman. Pero the defense wasn't enough. Ito si Bernales. Ibibigay ko Guzman. Guzman kicks it to Bernales. Binalik lang ulit. Guzman for 3. No good. Rebounded by Cardel. No good on the second chance.
Galing yun. Agila.
Out of nowhere. Bernales for 3. No good again.
Rebound by outside. Grabe, bigla nang tumalon si Mr. Delfin.
Si Delfin he has a very high leaping ability. At kung alam niyo lang ito si Delfin, he dunks in games.
Ayos.
And sa pagkakaalam ko lang sa intercollegiate dati, Delfin dunked on a discus player on a fast break.
Grabe. Seryoso ba yan? And Rojas, binabantay na maigi si Bernales. Wala.
No good.
Asperinia, pinasa kay Rojas. Rojas, easy lang daw. Rojas now has 8 points in this game.
Rojas, bibigay kay number 7.
Number 7 is Perinia. Ayun na. Rojas, binabantay ang maigi ni Mr. Guzman. Oh, nasundot ang bola. However, foul committed by number 27. Number 27 is Guzman.
Last 29 seconds of play.
Timeout committed. Timeout being called by the CSPC Blue Stallions. So ayan, i-recap lang, iulitin lang natin, no, si Mr. Tangelon, no, Mr. Lita Tangelon now has 20 points and 10 rebounds, no. Grabe, Mr. Double-double talaga to,
Meron
no.
tayong triple-double machine sa NBA, which is
Russell Westbrook. Si Draymond Green din.
Meron tayo dito sa BDBL, that's Mr. Lita Tangelon, pero double-double lang.
Pero, well, hindi mo daw nilalang yun kasi magandang feat na yun. Mahirap na siya ng double-double, no. As makikita natin ngayon na nag-huddle, nagre-regroup ang ating CSPC team at ang ating Ateneo Dinagat team B, rin sila, nagre-regroup din sila ngayon, no?
And of course, don't forget to use our hashtag ARTV channel and hashtag BDBL. And now we go back to the last 29 seconds of the third quarter with 70 points for the CSPC Blue Stallions and 34 points for the Ateneo Golden Knights B. So, eto. Mukhang hindi pa tapos ang pagbibigay ng play ni Coach Nuki at si Coach Jesus. Pero etong players natin sa sa CSPC are now back on the floor. At babalik na rin ang mga Ateneo players.
So ayan, ang number 19, Dagarat, will look to inbound the ball. Inbounds it to Rojas. Dagarat. Oops!
May natumba.
May natumba. Tanya Mora natumba sa kanila. Number 4. Penalty na. Yan ang inaabangan natin, penalty. Hindi naman po kami masama, pero grabe talaga kasi yung ibang games talaga. As in first quarter pa lang or second quarter pa lang may penalty na kaagad.
As number 18 shoots his first.
Number 18 is Tanya Mora. Tanya Mora, nag-init rin yan dati nung last outing nila. Medyo
against the Ateneo?
I can't remember, pero yun nga, nag-init pa rin siya nung yung laban na yun. I think that's Ateneo. Ateneo ito yung bago tong laro na to.
So, eto si Tanoy. We'll give it to Cardel. Back to Guzman. Guzman to Delphin. Got on a jumper.
So, ayan, Rojas pinasa kay Periña. Periña for the 3. No good. As that concludes our third quarter. The score is 71-36 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
So ano masasabi mo sa first 3 quarters ng laro?
Well, one-sided game. One-sided game. Hindi alam ko early on pa lang talaga lamang na agad ang ang ating Ateneo ang ating CSPC players.
Pero
yun nga, nagkaroon ng parang little glimpse ng parang babawi ang Ateneo.
With those magnificent 3-pointers.
3-pointers. Kaya lang medyo naging inconsistent na sila after na yung defense kasi ng yung defense kasi ng CSPC.
Very intimidating.
Very intimidating. Kasi nga, kumbaga rin yan. Former rin yan. Sila ang former champions nung last year's tournament, no?
And now Nico Delphin has 16 points, and from those 16 points, he has 4 3-pointers.
So ayan, may kita natin na ang ating mga team ngayon, no? Ang ating Ateneo team nagkakatapos na ng kanilang huddle, at the same time ang ating CSPC team na nag-huddle din ngayon, no?
Sa CSPC naman, our leading scorer is Perea with 18 points.
Perea or Periña?
Periña ba yan?
Perea. Medyo nakakalito rin kasi Perea and Periña.
And we're back to the ball game as the fourth and final quarter of the
correction lang po, si Periña po.
Si Periña
po yun. So ayan,
si Guzman,
dinedepensahan na maigi ng CSPC team, no?
Bernales giving instructions to his teammates. Eto si Tanoy with the fancy dribbles. That is no good. Rebounded by Panuelos. Panuelos with the wild shot, no good.
Rojas, binababa ang bola. Rojas penetrates.
What a block by
grabe si Tanoy. Grabe.
But there was a foul on that block. Pero kung less body contact dun, siguro solid yung block na yun.
Grabe, galit na galit si Tanoy nung swinat niya si Rojas, no?
He was carried away.
Pisikalan na.
Was carried away kasi parang nabitawan niya yung bola nung last possession nila.
Bakbaka na talaga to. Sabi nga natin sa trailer natin, tara, bakbaka na. So ayan, number 21, Bernales.
Bernales will look for a teammate. Gives it to Guzman. Back to Bernales with hesitation dribbles. Tanoy, naghanap ng kampe. Tanoy, forced to pick it up. Panuelos, back to Tanoy. Guzman for 3. That is good! What a fadeaway shot from the 3-point
Contested
area.
Pa yun. Contested pa yun. No? Number 1 is kanina si Sanchez. Number 18, Tanya Mora for 3. That's good. Back-to-back 3-point. Nagpapalitan ng 3-pointers ang mga natin, no? Kupunan natin ngayon, no?
So, ito ngayon si Bernales. nagbibigay ng instructions. At ito si Guzman, binalik. Guzman naghanap ng kampe. Binalik ulit kay Guzman. Guzman for 3. Good!
Again!
3 back-to-back 3-pointers for Gio Guzman.
Ayos
As he now has 11 points on the game. With 3 3-pointers.
So yan, Sanchez. Kanina, Tanyamora for 3. No good. Rebound by the little guy, Rojas. And number 1, Sanchez. Sanchez, oh, what a move. However, ayan na, number 19, Dagarat. Kicks it out to Tanyamora. Tanyamora for 3. And it's good!
Parang hirap ng 3-pointer na yun kasi he was guarded by the biggest guy on the court ngayon, which is Nico Delpin. As Tanoy receives the ball.
Tanyamora now has 2 3-pointers sa laro to. 6 points in total.
Bernales really frustrated ngayon.
Kasi hindi ata na-execute na maayos yung play. As Tanyamora binababa ang bola. Ayun na, number 14, dinedepensahan ng ating ng Ateneo team.
Number 2.
Number 1, Sanchez, no good.
By Tanoy.
Oops, out of bounds. Deflected by number 19, Dagarat.
Substitution, Spinneroni is in the game.
Spinneroni Madrid.
Si Spinneroni Madrid will go in para kay Tanoy.
So, ayan, ang ating Ateneo team ngayon ang maglalabas ng mag-inbound ng bola.
Mag-inbound na ba? Spinneroni with the rolling inbound. Ito si Bernales, binuhat na yung bola. Will give it to Panuelos. Panuelos to...
Oops, fouled.
There's a foul sa post. 7 minutes and 8 seconds left on the game clock with 79 and 42 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Gio Guzman, binigay kay Bernales. Guzman, naghanap ng kampe. Guzman. And Madrid is fouled on the post once again.
Yan, medyo medyo miscommunication sa mga players natin, no. Reaction time, kumbaga. Reaction time, no. Hanapin ang kanilang designated na lugar sa play, no. Para ma-execute nila na maayos.
And si Gio Guzman will be the inbounder. Will give it to Panuelos for 3. No good.
Yan, rebound by Sanchez. Rojas, mag-isa. Rojas, no good.
Rebounded by the big guy, Madrid. Madrid will pass it to Bernales. Bernales, the hesitation dribbles, fancy crossover. Panuelos open for the 3. No good again.
Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez, pinasa ulit kay Ross. And medyo easy lang ang ating ngayon, ang ating CSPC team, no. Lamang naman kasi sila.
Lamang sila with a very huge margin. It's number 14 will pass to number 18.
Tanyamora, pinasa kay number 21, Berse for 3. No good, air balls it.
Last touch by the CSPC player.
Medyo may halong kantsaw yung yung air ball ng ni Berse, no, sa galing sa kanyang mga teammates sa CSPC. Kakatuwan lang.
At si Bernales, binigay kay number 32, bagong salang, that is Sanyol. Number 21, Bernales. Oh. What a crossover!
What a crossover by Bernales.
No good on that floater.
However, he cannot convert it.
Natamaan ng bola dun si Madrid, kaya ang bola ay mapupunta sa CSPC players.
Rojas, pinasa kay Sanchez. Sanchez naghahanap ng papasahan. Dagarat. Ay, nagtatawag ng play si Rojas, no. Nakita natin na good cut by Berse.
From underneath, fouled.
There's
a traveling violation.
Ito si Berse, bago rin tong mukha, no, sa ating CSPC team. As number 8, Hernandez goes into the game. Bagong mukha din, bagong salang, no?
Bagong salang. Ito si Bernales receives the inbound galing kay Madrid. Back to Madrid. Madrid tumatakbo to the open man. Sanyol for 3. That's no good.
Narinig mo ba yung CSPC team? Binabawian din nila ang Ateneo team, no? As Tanyamora hits the lane. Binawian nila yung ginagaya nila yung yung ginawa sa kanila kanina.
Guzman for 3. No good again. It is saved by Guzman. Pero nakuha ni number 21.
Stolen by Berse. Berse pinasa kay Tanyamora. Tanyamora for 3. No good.
Rebounded by Spinneroni. Spinneroni playing point guard coast to coast.
Oy!
Napatid.
Napatid si Mr. Spinneroni.
And Spinneroni will go to the free throw line para sa dalawang chances.
Hindi natin gaano nakikita ang kanyang spin move ngayong game, no?
Napansin ko lang he's more on outside shooting ngayon.
And medyo nagkakaroon ng palitan ng asaran sa ating
dalawang koponan. As Madrid will shoot his second. That is no good for both. As number
Rojas, ayan, binabantayan po ng ating number 32. Rojas pinasa kay Tanyamora. Pinasa kay Berse. What a good cut by Sanchez. Sanchez with the lay-in.
What a beautiful tawag din. Finger roll lay-in. Ito si Sanyol. Naghanap na ng konti.
And medyo upset si Bernales, no, na Tanyamora. No good Berse.
Parang nahirapan si Sanyol na makapasa doon.
Kasi, kumbaga, sinasabi kasi ni Bernales na ipasa na doon sa sa big guy nila. However, nag-hesitate kasi siya. Nag-hesitate si number 32. Number 32 is Sanyol. No? Nag-hesitate kasi siyang ibigay. You know? In fear na baka magkaroon ng turnover. Pero as one, di ba, dapat tiwala lang sa isa't isa, kumbaga.
Because of that, medyo na disappoint si Coach. Hindi na ba siya in exchange for Cardel? Guzman, there will be a foul. Time check, 4 minutes and 6 seconds left on the game with 85 and 42 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
So ayan, number 5 subs in for number 18. Number 5 is Pili as Agent Zero.
That is Agent Zero is Banyadera. Banyadera no good in the first. Banyadera looking to shoot the second. Banyadera, that's good.
Yan na, nakita natin. Ay, meron pa palang bagong muka, si number 20, no? Si Regaspi.
Di ka to nakikita last game.
Ay, number 12. Ay, number 20, and nakita natin Pili. Pili for the 3. No good. Rebound. Ay, mga bagong players ang nakasalang ngayon, no? As Berse for the 3. No good.
Rebounded by Bernales. Bernales, tumatakbo. Bernales for the pull-up J. No good.
Rebound by number 20, Regaspi. Ay, nakita natin number 12 is Intia. So bagong mga players to, no. Binibigyan ng binibigyan ng playing time ni Coach Jesus Parco.
As Cardel is fouled on the lay-in. There will be substitution, I believe.
So ayan siyang medyo nagkakatuwaan na ang ating players ngayon, no.
There will be
sa tingin ko ganun na sila kakumpiyansa naman na sila, no, with kasi kumbaga kung nasa laro ka, seryoso pa rin dapat. Diba? Pero yun nga, kung confident ka naman talaga, no, pwedeng why not have
show the confidence you have,
diba? As Coach Ayo from the Bestcast Spartans, nandito arrives na siya, no?
At pumasok para sa Ateneo team si Panuelo, si Sanyol, and si number 37 si Delfino.
As number 12, Intia. Penetrates. Pass to Regaspi. Pinasok na Intia. Naghanap ng papasaan. Pili. With 6 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, rebound by Berse. However, loses it.
Substitution. Tanoy will go in for Cardel. As Panuelos will inbound, ibibigay kay Sanyol. Sanyol. Ibibigay kay number 37, that is Delfino.
Ano, mga bagong mukha na rin to, no?
Change 5, change 5. To Delfino for 3. That's no good.
Rebound by Regaspi. Intia, binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8 is Hernandez.
Foul by Panuelos.
Pushing, ayun na, pushing foul, no? 2 minutes and 25 seconds into the game. The score is 85-44 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Partner, penalty check.
Oh, penalty na naman po. Ang
mas nahunahan ng mga nangunguna sa scoreboard na magka-penalty yung kabilang kupunan.
Penalty na. Hindi, kanina nag-penalty na rin ang ating Ateneo. Ang Ateneo team. So,
there will be time.
Nakikita natin ngayon nag-huddle ang parehong kapunan.
And of course, nag-huddle din in preparation ng ang Ateneo Team A.
Makikita natin ngayon ang CSPC team, no, nag-huddle sila. At the same time, ang ating ang Ateneo Golden Knights Team B. Ayan na. Kaya nila yan, no? Kumbaga, lalaro lang, kumbaga. Again, with the CSP, Coach Jesus Parco giving instructions to the new faces na isinalang niya sa game na to, no? As we now head back to the game,
we are going back to the ball game then. As Ateneo says defense, both Ateneo present na ngayon sa floor, as well as the CSPC Blue Stallions. This will be CSPC ball at the inbound ni number 21. Number 21. No good. Rebounded by number 14, Esther.
And medyo natutuwa si Coach Jesus Parco, no?
Tanoy playing point.
And Roy completes the 3-point play.
Ay, hindi pa ako kompleto.
Ha? Hindi pa naman ako kompleto. Kumbaga may chance for to complete his 3-point play.
And now he will look to complete that 3-point play as Tanoy prepares to shoot. Tanoy, no good. Rebounded by number 20, pinasa kay number 12.
Number 21, Berse. Mapansin natin na wala pa atang points ang ating CSPC team, no? Since changing the lineup, the first 5. Last 2 minutes of play, still CSPC basketball. Coach Nuki saying na pag-push daw ang bola. Tanoy!
Fouled again.
Fouled.
Tanoy will have a chance for 2 at the free throw line.
Blocking foul by Tanoy.
Blocking foul. Ito ngayon si Tanoy. Tanoy will look to shoot his first. Tanoy. No good on his first. As the other players para sa ating Ateneo team is being instructed by Coach Lucky Sabio. At mga ibabalik na sila. Tanoy will shoot. That is no good again. Rebounded by number 12.
Oh, Tanoy really playing with grabe ang hustle niya. Tanoy with a good move. And it's good.
What a good lay-in by Tanoy.
Grabe. Ganda ng move niya papunta sa basket. As number 5,
great defense. Great defense and resulting to a very good offense. Kumbaga.
Of steal.
Stolen by Sanyol. Sanyol nag-iisa. Sanyol lays it up and in.
Kinakapitalize ng Ateneo team ng bagong lineup ng CSPC, no. Tingnan natin kung maka-points ang ating bagong lineup, no.
Sa CSPC.
Medyo nag-hesitate sila sa kanilang sa kanilang ball movement. Pili for 3. And it's good! Grabe! Nakita mo ba yun? Inaabangan talaga nila. Grabe, partner. Nagulat ako. At bigla na lang pumutok sa 3 points ang ating number 5 na si Pili.
As there will be a timeout called on the floor by our Ateneo Dinaga Team B coach, Coach Nuki Sabio. Coach Nuki, parang frustrated sa mga nangyayari ngayon.
Makikita natin ngayon na nag-warm up na po ang ating Ateneo Team A para sa kanilang sunod na laban against the Biscas Spartans, no? And abangan nyo po yan dahil ang magko-commentate po niyan ay sina Francis Pastor at si Van Martinez, no?
Nakaabang-abang talaga.
So ayan, guys, sa mga nanonood po ngayon, don't forget to use the hashtag ARTV channel and hashtag BDBL on Twitter to check our tweets.
Our tweets and feeds.
Tungkol dito sa ating ARTV as we now go to our last minute of play.
With 88 and 50 in favor of the CSBC Blue Stallions.
Again, the CSBC team, no, pinahingan talaga nila ang kanilang first five, no. New faces talaga ang nilalaro nila. Well, yun nga, para maging magamay din nila ang kumbaga, ang playing style ng isa't isa, no.
Para maging
sila rin naman kasi ang susunod niyan, eh. At sila rin naman ang susunod. For example, kung graduate man ng ibang players, 'di ba?
Eto si Delphine.
Oh, what a block! By number 8. Number 8 is Hernandez. Number 5, Pili. Pinasa kay number 12, which is Intia. 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 Kicks it out to Regaspi. Regaspi for 3. It's no good.
Rebounded by Bernales. Bernales forced to pick it up. 28 seconds remaining on the game clock. We'll pass it to Tanoy.
Tanoy with a good move, however. Ayan.
Sanyol. Pinasa kay Panuelos. Panuelos for the contested 3. No good.
Rebound by Regaspi. Regaspi pinasa kay Pili. Pili! Mag-isa lang! Oh, sayang! However, I think Bernales is hurt. Medyo grabe ang collision kanina, no? Ayan, Bernales is hurt, no? 5 seconds na lang. 5 seconds na lang po natitira sa ating
sa ating game clock. And of course, this is a sealed deal as Ateneo will fail to get their first win of the season. Ateneo Team B.
So yan, Ateneo Team B still huddling. And we will now acknowledge the following: the Ateneo Dinaga University,
the Ateneo Athletics Office,
the Ateneo Red Cross,
the people behind the BDBL Reinforced Cup, organizer Jus Benson Balanag,
our Commissioner Julio Ogoy,
Assistant Commissioner Jimmy Adores,
Department of Media Studies Mr. Terdy Baudin,
Mr. Noel Amador,
Mr. Manuel Sambo,
Mr. Carlos Jerome Lurin,
Dr. Digna Pener Alba, and of course the ARTV crew. So ayan, 5 seconds into the quarter, no. And we'll now head back to our ball game.
This will be a very one-sided game pag natapos.
Shoutouts po pala sa Martinez family, sa Pastor family, sa Salvadora family at sa Quizana family po, no. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa aming kumbaga dito sa ARTV channel, no.
Salamat guys sa pagmamahal. And Ateneo will just let this go as they fail to get their first win of the season.
And that concludes this game. The score is 90-50 in favor of the CSBC Blue Stallions. As we can see, the CSBC team shaking hands. So yan, after all, kumbaga, respeto pa rin sa isa't isa, no? Sa game lang naman dapat nagkakainitan. Pero wag naman yung
Pero wag naman sa labas.
Dahil syempre, laro-laro lang din naman yun. Sportsmanship pa rin naman, di ba? So ayan,
90-50 with a 40-point margin para sa ating CSBC team.
Ayan, final score po natin ulit ay 90-50 in favor of the CSBC Blue Stallions.
Our leading scorer, sino ba?
I think ang leading scorer natin is si Mr. Lito Tangelon, no?
Lito Tangelon.
Si Mr. Double-Double.
Mr. Double-Double.
So ayan, I think we'll now go to the
best player.
I mean the best player muna, no?
That is Lito Tangelon.
Tangelon with 20 points and 15 rebounds with 1 steal, no? So congratulations, Mr. Tangelon, for another double-double. It's his third double-double now, no?
So ayan, I think we will now go to our
Congratulations, Coach, sa pagkapanalo ng team nyo. Ano pong gagawin yung motivation? Ano pong naging motivation nyo para sa larong ito?
Hindi, kasi sa team kasi namin, underdog kami, medyo maliit. So, itinatak ko talaga sa isipan ng mga players ang SID factor. It's sacrifice, interest, and discipline. Yun lang din, teamwork. The rest, okay na, okay kasi yung brotherhood nila eh. Para magkakapatid na sila eh. Kaya ganun ang motivation namin lagi eh.
Ano pong gagawin yung paghahanda para sa next game?
Series of adjustment kasi lagi naman iba ang kalaban namin. So, it's all about adjustment. Then, the same game plan kasi magkakasama na sila for almost 3 years eh. Kaya alam na nila yung adjustment, by numberings lang sila eh.
So, yan. Thank you po. So, brotherhood, napakaganda ng brotherhood nila. So, thank you po. Back to you guys.
So ayan, thank you Christy for that
courtside report
with the winning team, no. With the head coach of the winning team, Mr. Jesus Parco Jr. So ayan, that concludes one of your daily dose of Bicol basketball. Catch us again. Don't go anywhere because meron pang laro, another rematch, no. Heading this way, no.
Lang from kahapon.
So yan, it's the Ateneo Dinaga University Golden Knights Team A taking on the Vizcas Spartans, no. So I think will the Spartans bounce back from their loss, or will the Ateneo team
look for a two-game winning streak?
Will they dominate again, no? So stay tuned kayo guys. So again, I'm Eman.
I'm Pao.
And together with Christy and Azeli and the rest of the crew, this is Bicol Developmental Basketball League on Air TV Net Sports.
So ngayon pa, Choy.